Introducing the GTools GT Series, our value-packed starter workbench for homeowners, DIYers and organisers ready to turn a cluttered garage into a practical workspace. Built with a durable 0.8mm welded steel frame, the GT Series combines lockable drawer storage, 3 gas strut-assisted overhead cabinets and a proper work surface for everyday projects. Choose the 450mm deep usable wooden benchtop or step up to the GT Ultra with a 570mm extra deep usable work surface. Unlike many entry-level workbenches, the GT includes a universal pegboard compatible with both US and Euro style hooks, plus an integrated Australian power board with USB for chargers, lighting and devices. Delivered prefabricated in one box, only minor assembly is required. With 2 people recommended for lifting and connecting the overhead section, you can generally be set up and ready to use within the hour. The GTools GT Series, a value-driven first step towards a cleaner, more organised and workable garage.